Perkins, a 4.236. That sound? Every farmer knows it. The calm heartbeat of the Perkins A 4.236, one of the most reused tractor engines ever built. Born in Peterborough, England, this simple four-cylinder diesel powered icons like the Massey Ferguson 135, 165, and 240, and later found its way into loaders, generators, and even marine machines. What made it special wasn't just reliability, it was simplicity. No electronics, no nonsense, just clean fuel, steady compression, and an engine that refused to quit. Farmers called it the diesel that runs on patience and clean oil. With proper care, it could push 10,000 hours or more, and when the time came, you could rebuild it in your own shed with nothing but a wrench and a light. It wasn't the loudest or the strongest, but it was the kind you trusted. And that's why, even decades later, the Perkins A 4.236 still works the land. Quietly, confidently, and endlessly reusable. Because some engines aren't just built to last, they're built to stay. Cummins 5.9-liter 6BT. When the Cummins 5.9-liter 6BT hit the scene in the late 1980s, it redefined what a small diesel could do. It first powered Dodge Ram pickups, but farmers quickly saw its potential. Soon it was running Case, Osh Maxims, Versatiles, and countless industrial machines. What made the 6BT so reusable was its perfect balance of power and simplicity. A 6-cylinder, 12-valve mechanical diesel that could take punishment daily. No electronics, no fancy sensors, just raw reliability. With 160 to 215 horsepower, it pulled hard, started easy, and sipped fuel. Farmers loved that it was the same engine you'd find in trucks hauling grain or towing livestock. Mechanics loved it even more. Easy to rebuild, parts everywhere, and nearly bulletproof internals. Decades later, you'll still find the 5.9-liter in tractors, combines, generators, and even classic truck swaps. It wasn't built to impress on paper. It was built to earn loyalty in the dirt. And that's why the 6BT didn't just serve one industry. It conquered them all. International Harvester DT466. If there's one engine that defines American diesel reliability, it's the International Harvester DT466. Introduced in the 1970s, this inline six became the heart of IH's 86 and 88 series tractors, and later powered trucks, buses, and even combines. It wasn't just a tractor engine. It was an all-purpose workhorse that built a reputation few engines could match. The DT466 earned its fame through simplicity and strength. Wet sleeve design, easy rebuilds, and incredible longevity. This engine could log 15,000 hours or more with regular maintenance, and if something went wrong, a skilled farmer could pull it apart and fix it in a weekend. It wasn't flashy. It didn't chase horsepower records. But when others quit, the DT466 just kept working. Its torque curve was broad, its block nearly indestructible, and its sound, that deep, rhythmic tone, became part of rural America's soundtrack. Even today, you'll still hear it in fields, barns, and county fairs. The DT466 wasn't just reused. It was reborn, again and again. Because some engines never stop proving their worth. Cummins 855 Big Cam. Few engines have earned respect across as many industries as the Cummins 855 Big Cam. Born in the late 1970s, This massive 14-liter inline-six didn't just power tractors. It powered semis, bulldozers, scrapers, and generators that kept America moving. And for many farmers, it became the ultimate test of reliability. The Big Cam's secret was in its oversized camshaft and refined fuel timing, which gave it cleaner combustion, longer life, and more efficient torque delivery. Farmers running Steigers, Versatiles, and Case 1H four-wheel drives knew that once this beast roared to life, it meant serious work was about to begin. It wasn't a quiet engine, it wasn't light, but it was brutally dependable, known to push 20,000 hours or more with regular maintenance. Mechanics loved how easy it was to service. Truckers loved its pull on mountain grades, and farmers loved that it simply wouldn't quit. Even today, you'll still see big cams working on farms decades after they were built. Proof that sometimes size really does equal staying power. John Deere 404/466 series. If you've ever spent time around a green tractor from the late 1970s or 1980s, chances are you've heard this sound. The John Deere 404 and 466 series weren't just engines. They were the heartbeat of a generation of farmers. From the 4430 and 4630 to the 4440, 4640, and 4840, these power plants defined what reliability meant in American farming. The 404 laid the foundation, a simple six-cylinder diesel with balanced power, smooth operation, and a design so forgiving that farmers often joked you could fix it with a wrench and a good light. Then came the 466, turbocharged, refined, and unstoppable. It delivered more torque, better efficiency, and the kind of endurance that turned Deere's 40 series into icons. Farmers trusted these engines because they just worked. Even today, you'll still find them in the fields, proving that true engineering never ages. It endures. Perkins 1006 series. The Perkins 1006 series, introduced in the 1980s, carried the legacy of Perkins reliability into a new era. Found in Massey Ferguson tractors, combines, and construction machines, the 1006 wasn't about brute strength. It was about balance. With its inline-six design, direct injection, and reputation for clean running, this diesel offered thousands of hours of steady work with minimal maintenance. Parts were easy to find, and repairs could be done right in the farm shop. But what truly made it timeless was how adaptable it was. Perkins built versions of this same engine for tractors, generators, and industrial loaders, proving that good design doesn't need to change. It just needs to last. Decades later, many are still in service, quietly reminding farmers why Perkins became a global symbol of dependable power. Caterpillar 3208 V8 diesel. The Caterpillar 3208 wasn't built just for tractors, but it found its way into them, and for good reason. Originally designed for medium-duty trucks and industrial machines, this 10.4-liter V8 became a favorite in White and Steiger tractors during the 1970s and 80s. Farmers appreciated that it could handle punishing workloads and still have years of life left. When it finally did wear out, a rebuild gave it a second act, and that's why the 3208 earned a cult following. It might not have been the most refined or the most efficient, but it was bulletproof, an engine that outlasted expectations and built the Caterpillar name into a farming legend. These weren't just engines, they were partners. They started every morning, pulled through every storm, and kept farms alive when everything else was uncertain. And even today, you can still hear their sound across fields and auctions. Proof that true engineering doesn't retire, it endures. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the most reused tractor engines ever made, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow tractor fans, and subscribe for more stories from the machines that built farming history. And now, we want to hear from you. Which of these engines do you think deserves the title of most legendary? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.